I have a couple spare hours and I want to get a quick project in. So I'm going to use these two wrenches that I found recently and make some cool door handles out of it. If I make them 3 centimeters, they will be over here, which I think is really nice. So off to the lathe. This lathe has no readouts for measurements whatsoever, so I just have to kind of guess it. Sometimes this thing just scares the crap out of me. Here they are, they're done. I don't know what I'm going to use them for yet, so if you have suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to hit subscribe. See you next week.